It's achieving one of the project goals of maximising local content. This year we were awarded the fabrication of the MP3 depletion compression fabrication to Keppel Shipyards in Subic.
The attendees for the training centre is for anybody who's going to be working on the Malampaya project, from Keppel staff in the shipyards to spec staff and any contractors that might be working on the site. The objective of the training centre and the specific course we're looking at today is a basic HSE awareness of all the different aspects encountered that might be on the project or that site.
In the classroom, we do a lecture and we interact with them, we ask questions, we let them voice out their feelings, their ideas, and after that we give an examinations. Then we bring them here in the practical so that they can immediately practice what we have taught them.
The first bay that we're looking at here is our training briefing and debriefing area. Once the group are finished, we're coming through here and put their findings on the whiteboard and then discuss them. What hazards do they see? What can we then put in as control measures? Okay, so what's happening in this area now and what we use this area for is the students are actually doing a very basic job hazard analysis to enter the confined space area. What we also use this area for is for inspection of our lifting equipment. They're pre-inspection before use. And we also have areas on the side where students can practice and look at the correct method of isolations. Okay, so what we're seeing now is the practical element of the working at heights. So when the students come down, they have to demonstrate 3 points of contact on the ladder and also how to maintain 100% contact while moving along the scaffold. At the end of each module, we go through our quiz. Once we've also gone through that quiz, we then assess the knowledge during the practical portions. We also have training specifically for supervisors that will come and do training on their supervisory skills and how they do their Take 5 pre-job inspection, how they intervene and interact with their workers.
Note as much as you can that you can find
The feedback from each group has been very good, particularly from Keppel staff that are learning new knowledge and new background.
Barangay Capiz is Malampaya Phase 2 and 3's version of the Injury-Free Club. It stands for Kaligtasan sa Puso at Isipan, or safety in our hearts and our minds. We're introducing Barangay Capiz here in the training center because we want to plant the seeds here. It's a journey. We're forming a culture and we want it to start right.
Training na ito maganda sa atin kasi may pakita natin sa buong mundo na Pilipino kaya rin ang malaking project katulad nito, Malampaya.
Ang natutunan namin dito ay madadala namin sa trabaho at maging sa aming mga tahanan.
Ang pinaka-importanting natutunan ko sa training kong ito ay ang pangangalaga sa kaligtasan ko, kaligtasan ng aking kapwa at kapwa manggagawa, kapitbahay at ang aking pamilya. I-apply ko sa aking trabaho.
By the end of this training, I want the participants to take through, obviously, new knowledge and level of awareness of hazards and HSE that is at site, as well as that they are responsible for safety, not only for their own safety, but those of their co-workers as well.
What we really want to see and really hope for is that every trainee coming through this facility has gained some more skills, understanding about how they can not only behave safely at the project sites in the Keppel yard, but also take that home and behave in a safe way with their families and spread that within their community.
At the end of the day, we want these guys to realize that they're all very important people, not only for the job but for their families as well.
Kaligtasan sa puso at isipan. Kaligtasan sa puso at isipan.